Hello, today we're going to have a phonics lesson and we're going to begin our lesson using our sound spelling cards. These are the cards that I've introduced this week and that we've been working on this week. What we'll do is we'll say the name of the picture, the letter, and then the sound that the letter makes. So we will go like this: alligator, a. All right? That's the procedure that we'll use. Okay, here's the first one. Let's do it again. Alligator, a. Cat, c. Duck, d. Nest, n. Porcupine, p. All right, for our next activity, we're going to review our sound by sound blending, and we're going to use a word that we have worked on this week. And remember, we start with our beginning sound, then our middle sound, and then our ending sound. All right, do this with me. K, a, n. K, a, n. Can. Very good. Now I'm going to bring the A down, and we'll try it with another word. Add, pad.